Today we're exploring Lake Ngami, a stunning natural wonder located in Botswana, Africa. Lake Ngami is a hidden gem that offers visitors the chance to experience the raw beauty of Africa. In this video, we'll be taking you on a journey to explore this amazing lake. Lake Ngami is a freshwater lake that is located in northern Botswana. It's one of the most beautiful natural wonders of Africa and is known for its abundance of wildlife, scenic views, and unique cultural experiences. One of the most amazing things about Lake Ngami is the diverse wildlife that can be found in and around the lake. From hippos and crocodiles to a variety of birds and fish, the lake is home to a wide range of species that are unique to this region of Africa. The lake is also surrounded by local communities that have lived in this area for generations. These communities have developed their own culture and traditions that are deeply rooted in the natural world around them. Visitors to Lake Ngami can experience this culture firsthand and learn about the ways of life of the local people. There are many ways to explore Lake Ngami and its surroundings. Visitors can take guided tours to see the wildlife, go on fishing trips, take nature walks, and even go on horseback safaris. The lake is also a popular destination for birdwatchers, who come from all over the world to see the incredible variety of bird species that live here. As the day comes to an end, the sun sets over Lake Ngami, painting the sky with vibrant colors. This is a truly magical moment that visitors will never forget. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore Lake Ngami. We hope you enjoyed this video and that it has inspired you to visit this beautiful natural wonder for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.